Okay, I'm going to show you how to change your screen from the small to the large, and hopefully this will help you. So you want to launch your Forscan and connect to the vehicle. So down here, bear with me, connect to vehicle, hit that, and make sure your ignition's on and your OBD2 port switch is that you're connected to your laptop is in the high-speed motion. You don't want to load any previous profiles, so just hit no, and then it's going to load all the modules from your car into the database. Now bear with me, I'm by no means a photographer here, so this is going to be a little choppy, but this will exactly get you what you need to do to get your screen. And this is after you've installed the bigger screen. And it's going to ask you here to switch your OBD2 reader into medium speed. As soon as it's done. Okay, so now, does it have a medium at HSMS? Yes, it does. Mine does anyway. And you're going to switch it into low speed and lose the laptop. All right, so we switched it into, and hit OK. It's going to finish reading all your modules. Sorry for the shaky camera. Okay, it's almost done. Almost done. And it's going to ask you if you want to save a profile. I would if I were you. That way you can load, like right here, would you like to save a profile of your vehicle? This would be like your OEM profile. I'm going to say no, but you might want to say yes to save it. That way you can reload the original profile if you ever have any issues. So once that's done, then you go over here to the picture of the microchip and press that. And what you want to find is the APIM as built right here. APIM accessory program module as built, and select that. And then you want to come down here and hit the play button, and it's going to ask you to switch it to the high-speed position. So let me do that. Hopefully. There we go. All right, we're switched into the high-speed thing, and it's going to read your APIM module. Changing this potentially not safe. That's okay. Just hit OK. And here she goes, reading all the. See, here's where you're going to make your change. There's only one change. So this is after you've installed your new screen. It's going to look like this, where it's only going to display half of the screen. So we need to switch it from the 8 to the 10. So what you're going to do is look for, in the APIM module, 7D0-03-01, which is this one right here. And right here, we're going to make a change. So it probably says 00 on yours. That's for the small screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this and make it an 8. Just like that. So your 7DO-03-01, your middle values are 0802, and everything else you leave the same. And then I'm going to write it. So we're going to write, and it's going to ask you to continue. You want to say yes, and it's going to make that change. It was successful. So what you want to do is cycle your accessories off and back on again, and then press OK, and you'll see your screen is now back to the 8-inch to the 10-inch screen. Looks good. And so once it does that, you want to come down here and hit the stop button. That stops all the service procedures, and then you can go back to your information screen like that, and come down here and get my cursor going here. You would hit this disconnect button, and then you can unplug your OBD2 reader, and you're done. That's all you got to do. It's pretty simple. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you.